and be on the go. Round the world they travel so, laughing, eating, all the fun. Tiny adventures just begun.
Back to Malacca. Now we're in the bus video.
First stop, Pocky Chicken Rice. Chicken rice.
Time for shopping. The dress is so pretty. Oh, it's time to make Maggie me. Cheese.
No comment.
This is what we've done. Can you guess which one is Thea's and mine? This is Thea's. Let's fill it up.
4 ingredients, what would you like?
Tightening. First goes in Thea's. It's done! We are now at the Royal Press. It's very cool because it has olden days things.
Linotype 78.
It's 78 years old.
No, it's not. It's in the 1960s. This is what they used to make newspaper in the past. See the stencils? The alphabet by alphabet to print our newspapers daily. This is a typewriter, see? You type and then the words will come out. It will come out the stencils for them to then print it. Look at the fire extinguisher in the past. So cool. Then the next generation phone. You know these are old school switches. This one. Now you see the switch like that, right? And even more modern, the big ones, right? The old school ones are like this. Clocks like these. Phones like these. Interesting. Past they used this to print the lines of a notebook. It's called a ruling machine. This was what they used to do wedding cards in the past, very small cards. It was what they used to cut paper. These were the eggs.
Let's go eat chendol.
Half-eaten chendol. Where are you?
And holiday. I'm Judy Akash. My hostel today.
It's not Disneyland.
Yeah.
Lucid Princess.
We're too tired, so we're just having dinner at the hotel.
这是养生茶，养生茶 improve body cleansing and detoxification.
This is the match marker. We're back at Jonker again. Wash my ramen. It's time for breakfast. Good morning. waiting for dim sum.
So this is the Cheng Hoon Teng main temple.
It's 380 years old. And it's a temple. We're just strolling around to see what's interesting.
Yeah, it's your favorite. It's chicken. You want to go take photo? What face is this?
This is an old school bar.
We wanted to eat kopi harian, but look at the queue.
Now, so we're going to try this cafe. That's so yummy.
Yes, I think we made the right choice. Yours is the best.
How's the miso pasta?
Good.
Yeah, I think miso pasta is the best. Yummy! Big mouth.
Why we keep coming back to Jonker Walk?
Because it's the only place in Malacca that we can go.
I love it. Oh, I like it all for me.
Let's go find out. Mr. Malacca, Mr. Asia,
Mr. Malaysia.
the father of
Body builders in Malaysia.
yeah. Tessa, this is the pre-war architecture. This was how the road used to be. Oh, 48 RM. Look! Who transforms? Hi, like my little Nonya. Show me your pen. So cute.
Ni看我看你
Looking down again.
Kim.
Yes, that's a good look.
You all look so tired. Are you very tired? Are you lost in Malacca? So cute like that. Is that how I feel now, right?
I wonder if this was how the kids looked when they were playing wearing this costume in the past.
We're gonna take a boat ride. I'm so excited. Look, a colorful Ferris wheel. Guess what we're eating again? It's breakfast. The kaya bread here is so good. Daddy loves the other food. Then what are you drinking? I'm drinking apple juice. Why? You drinking it from a bowl?
Is it soup?
Yeah.
Apple juice soup.
I cracked the egg. I cracked the salad. There's still waiting for that.
Good try, good try.
I just cracked the egg. Okay, there's a hole now.
What a mess. Next one. Yes, quite ready. Yay! Practice makes perfect. This is getting better.
And I'm making a big mess.
And look at your fingers.
This is our last lunch before we go back to Singapore.
Wow, what? There's TV? What a luxurious bus.
And we're on the second level.
Second level.
Yeah. And we're going back to Singapore. And we got that kind of flash on me. This is from Malacca. Can you guess what it is? It's making noodles. This one has pigs.
How is it? Good.
We're eating it now because it has such a short expiry date. Yum, yum, yum.
Tessa and Thea on the go. Round the world they travel so. Laughing, eating all the fun. Tiny adventures just begun.